Hey, this is Jacob Sparks out here at Moore Dodge in Silsbee, Texas. This is that 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee that you were inquiring about. As you can see, this vehicle is in great condition, right at 60,000 miles. This vehicle has remote trunk open, rear backup camera, as well as remote trunk close. It is a limited edition, fully loaded, remote start. Equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 that puts out plenty of fuel economy as well as plenty of power. As you can see, the tires still have plenty of tread on them. Brakes and rotors still have plenty of meat. Passive entry and go. Leather seats are still in great condition, no rips, no tears. Paddle shifters, voice recognition technology, heated seats, universal garage door opener. And as you can see, the back seats are still in great condition. Heated rear back seats. Power lift assist tailgate. With plenty of room. Full size spare tire. This vehicle is truly one of a kind. And I look forward to helping you out on it here pretty soon.